everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these super easy cute flower earrings. They take only a couple of minutes and are super beginner friendly. First, I'll begin by showing you the materials. You will need yarn, and for this tutorial I'll just use this red cotton yarn, crochet hook, and this one is a 2.25 millimeter crochet hook. You need a crochet needle, some beads, which I'm going to attach to the middle of the flower, and some earring pins, just like that. Oh, and to attach the pins, of course, you're going to need glue, and I like to use this glue. It's very strong. Later on, you're also going to need some earring backs, and you can use these kinds or silicone backs as well. All right, let's begin with making the flower. So the first step is making a magic ring, and for that I have a tutorial on how to make a magic ring. Check it out. It's in the link part of the description of the video. So once you make a magic ring, you're going to do 2 chains. So 1, 2. From here, you're going to do 2 double crochets inside the magic ring. For that, you'll do yarn over, insert the hook in the magic ring, grab the yarn, pull through until you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the other 2. So let's do that one more time. And then chain 2. From here, we're going to make a slip stitch inside the magic ring. And that is our first flower petal completed. Let's do that 4 more times. 2 chains, 2 double crochets inside the magic ring, two more chains, and then a slip stitch. Okay, so that's 2 petals. Let's do that again. Chain 2, first double crochet, second double crochet, and chain 2 again, followed by a slip stitch. And that's 3 petals. So each petal, you could have as many petals as you like. For my flowers, I have 5 petals, so that's what I'm going to do again. 5, 1, chain 2. Here's my first double crochet. Second double crochet. Chain 2 again, and slip stitch. So now I have 4 petals and 1 more. Chain 2. First double crochet. Second double crochet, and chain 2. Slip stitch. And there I have, oops, I have missed one little part. There we go. So that was 4 petals. What I'm going to do is pull on the tail end over here to tighten the magic ring. Pull out the yarn first. Cut. Okay, so pull on the magic ring tail end, the one from the beginning, and here is our little flower. Super cute. So what I'm going to do is attach the bead I like to make a little knot in the back. From here, let's pass one of these tail ends to the front. So here's my back. The front, as you can see, is a little bit more defined stitches. So let's do that. Pass the yarn to the front with the crochet needle. And what you're going to do next is attach the bead. I have this little pearl bead, and you can use a small crochet needle, or I'm just going to use this crochet hook and just pass the yarn through the bead, slide it down, make sure it's in the middle, and now I'm just going to pass this tail end over to the other side again with my crochet needle. Okay, there you go. And now just, you can tie it in the back if you like. Some people just like to weave the ends. I like to tie it to be more secure. You can glue, you can place a little bit of glue in the middle, in the back, if you prefer. There are many different ways of doing this. It depends how neat you would like this to look in the back. The less knots there are, the more neat it will look. So let's hide this tail end a little bit. And let's hide the other tail end as well. Okay, so there you go. You've got the flower. All you have to do is now attach the earring pin in the back. And for that, we're just going to glue it. You could also do an earring hook if you prefer. This will also look really cute. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to use an earring pin. So let's open the glue. Place a small dot on this pin. And then pick one of the petals and just stick it on the back. Now what I like to do is just hold it for about a minute in this position so it dries off a little bit. And the manufacturer recommends that the glue dries for 24 hours before you actually use the earring. I find that it's completely dry after a couple of hours, but if you want to be 100% sure, wait 24 hours. So once you hold this for about a minute, now you've got a very nice, cute earring. So that is the full tutorial for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I like to do small accessories like this that are very beginner friendly. So if you're someone who is looking for a new hobby, new ideas for accessories, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.